Welcome. In front of me is a Realme C67 and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, let's first turn off our phone by swiping down from the top of the screen twice, and this will show us our power button. Click on it and choose power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and the volume down at the same time. And when you see the logo of the device show up on the screen, come on, where is it? There we go. Let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. When you see the Android with no command, let go of the volume down, and then to get past this, we will need to hold our power button and press volume up once, and this will then redirect us to the recovery mode. In this mode, you will need to utilize the volume buttons, either up or down, to navigate respectively up or down. And going over the options that we have access to, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. We have Reboot to Bootloader, which I'm pretty sure is going to boot us into Fast Boot mode, which is the same thing that the option below will do. Then we have Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wipe Data or Cache Partition, Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off the device. Now whatever is selected, you will then need to confirm it with the power button. So because I want to leave this mode, I'm going to be selecting Reboot System Now, or well, it's already selected, and then by pressing power button, this will get confirmed and reboot the device and take us back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.